So for the Transit or the Transit Custom, pretty simple. All you need is to get your pry tool, get it started in here, and you work it around the edges until the whole piece pulls off. Pry a bit more back there. Pops off. Move that out of the way. And all you see is the two T20 screws here. If you've got the one with the screen will be screwed in here. You just unscrew it with T20 screws. So get all those screws out, take the screen out. If you've got one, because you're going to be using the plug for the new unit. Otherwise the steering wheel controls won't work. But if you don't have a screen, like this one doesn't, just remove the main stereo. If you have the airbag button on your panel here, you'll have to keep this part plugged in behind the stereo. So literally just stash it back there. Keep it plugged in, otherwise you're going to get the airbag warning light come on your dash. But in this case, for this one, there's no airbag light on the stereo, so we can not worry about it. So it's just a case of unscrewing it and then getting behind it, giving it a pull, and the whole thing will pop off. Back here, we're going to just unplug the unit, that big black plug, and then this little one is the FM aerial. We're going to unplug that as well. We've got the old one out and the new one here, and we're basically just copy and pasting the air vents. They screw out on the sides here, and then they just pull out on these tabs. So once you take the screws out, you just open all these tabs along the side until you can pull the whole vent out. Two of those vents, put them in the same place, left and right there, and then you want to pinch the hazard button out of this, and that will pop out. Squeeze the tabs and it will pop out, and you can put that in the new one. I normally put that at the end because it can sometimes not clip in place very well. You can also take this card holder as well. That just swaps over for this little black piece here if you want. So that's that stuff. And then the cables, you're either going to have this one black plug if you haven't got a screen, so you just plug it in. Nice and easy. And if you have got a little screen, you're going to have 3 black plugs. So 1 from the screen and 2 from the unit. And there's 3 black plugs on this one. Make sure this black box is connected. It's a CAN bus for the ones with screens, and make sure that's plugged in so the steering wheel controls work. If you don't have a little screen, this is all you're going to have. Nice and easy, plug it in. If you're running a camera, run the camera cable, join it to the one that says back there. Run it down the side behind the glove box out to the back. Same with the 2 USB ports, the 4-pin, the 6-pin here, and the SIM card holder. I've run all of these to the glove box here to keep them convenient. So USBs, SIM card holder. And I'm going to run a microphone as well, so use this for the microphone. That's just going to run the other side and sit up there. As it's a big van, it's usually a good idea to put the microphone. And that's it. And then the GPS module can just stick anywhere. I've just stuck it up there, and the Wi-Fi module stuck there. So those 2 aerials are the blue and pink, and they'll plug in. So I'm going to swap those over, plug everything in, and there we go. Okay, so I've got my new one plugged in there. Stole these bits, hazard button, card reader, vents, they're all on the new frame. Plugged everything in. Forgot in the last one, the black radio FM aerial. So you've got a little patch cable that plugs into that one there. And plugs in there, so from right to left, radio, power plug, microphone plug, CAN bus if you're using it, USBs, reverse camera, and 2 aerials. Make sure they're all plugged in. Make sure your hazard button's plugged in. I've just realised I've left that one. Make sure that's plugged in as well. And then I've got my microphone up here. If you're going to use the microphone, then you need to turn it on in the settings. So you just need, once it's all opened up, first thing you can do is set your steering wheel controls. So if you haven't got the screen, you set them like this, 1 by 1, and then set the button program them one by one like that. If you've got the screen, then they should already be working as long as you've plugged in the CAN bus plug. It's all set up for the Transit. And then if you're using your external microphone, just go into car settings, factory settings, 1617, customize settings. At the bottom you can turn external mic on, make sure it's ticked, and then save it in the top right. Alright.